All right, we're getting to the good stuff here. 10x your income, guys. How do you 10x your income? Remember earlier I showed you guys this symbol right here? Let's see, where we're at, right there. That symbol, and I called it a value ladder, right? And so let's break down what a value ladder is and why it has the potential to 10x your income. So the first thing I want to do is I want to say that a value ladder works like this. So the more you give value, the more people are going to trust you. I hope that throughout this course, you guys really understand that I'm giving nothing but value here, right? I'm sharing my mistakes. I'm sharing the how-tos. I'm sharing how to find the best products out there. What's going to make you most successful? Where do you need to focus your energy? Right? That is nothing but value to any of you who have done this. Now, if you are already an affiliate marketer and you maybe hit a plateau on your money making, maybe you're like, you know what, I'm stuck at this much and I don't know what to do to make it more every month. Well, this is your answer right here, right? Value ladder. I'm really going to go deep into this. So the first example I want to give is Apple. So for Apple right here, let's talk about their value ladder. So the first thing that Apple does is they want to sell you a phone, right? A cell phone, their iPhone. That is the first step in their value ladder. I understand it's an expensive one, but it's still the first step. Because the moment you buy their phone, you're going to be like, oh, this is very user-friendly. I like how it operates. Maybe I want to try another product because they provided value with what you received, that phone. So now you're saying, maybe I'll get an iPad. You get an iPad, maybe you get a laptop, maybe you get the iMac. So you see how every single one of those items is really like a step up in the ladder? They're more expensive, but with each one, they trust the company more and more. And you're essentially making sales to the same person. So you see how it's not just a one and done. You're able to help them with their needs, and in so doing that, you're making more money from that same customer. Now, I'm sure there's plenty of you out there that are going to say, oh, Apple's a big customer. Apple's like a big company. Yeah, they are a big company. That's why their value ladder goes so deep. I talked about their main products that they sell, but do you guys know that they also sell wearables, right? They also sell iWatches. They sell AirPods, Apple TV, HomePods, different subscriptions. I mean, there's a subscription for like the arcade for the apps. There's a subscription for having more data stored on the cloud. Their value ladder goes really deep. So they have a way of getting money from you and throughout the whole life cycle of you being a customer for them. But let's take it down a notch. Right? Maybe you can't relate to Apple because they're such a big company. Let's talk about a gym. Maybe a gym in here. I'll do that so you guys can see that. Or maybe I'll put myself up here. So for a gym, what does their value ladder look like? Maybe the first step in the value ladder for a gym is just simply, hey, come on in for free. If it's a mom and pop shop, maybe they give you a 3-day pass. You can show up, you can work out at the gym for free 3 days. They're giving you value, right? They're attracting customers by giving them value. Now, what's going to be the next step? They're going to say, oh, if you enjoyed your 3 days here, maybe you'd like to subscribe and do a monthly subscription. Now they're starting to make a little bit of money. What would be the next one? Right? Oh, by the way, that is our basic subscription, but we also offer classes. We offer yoga classes. We offer, Pilates. Maybe there's like high cardio, like high intensity classes, right? Whatever it may be, they may offer more classes, and that's a more expensive subscription. So that is another step into their value ladder. Well, what about the next? What's the next piece? The next piece can be something like personal training. Oh, I see you've been here for a couple months. Yeah, you're improving, but again, you've hit a plateau. And so now you need something further than that. They're going to offer personal training. Now once you're hooked, they could sell you gear. They could sell you, shirts, tank tops, workout gear, supplements, whatever it is that they have, they can keep getting money from those same customers. So as an affiliate marketer, if you are already making money out of your customers, right, and you are in a plateau, then you also should understand that what is going to be the next level? How can you offer a value ladder to your customers to make sure that you're helping them along the way? You know, you've gone through the process. What were the things that you needed to be successful? I can tell you guys myself that for me, it was important to, once I started doing this and I started making some money and I kind of figured things out and I hit my plateau, I needed a mentor, you know. And lucky for all of you guys, I actually found the best mentor out there right now. You know, I think they're the best mentor. They've been my mentor, and I have now actually partnered with them, so that any of you that are looking to get to that next level, are looking to really 10x your income, you know, I have the right mentor for you. Why? Because at the end of the day, that's what you need. If you're going to go to the next level, you have to keep investing in yourself. How many of you are investors out there? You know, how many of you, hopefully, if you're at the stage where you're doing well with your business and it's working out, you're making money, hopefully you're taking that money and you're investing it in whatever it may be, right? Maybe it's real estate, maybe it's stocks, but did you ever realize that the most important investment you can make is in yourself? I hope you guys understand that. So that's what I do, right? Every time I made money from this business, I reinvested it in the business. What does that mean? That means that either I bought a new program to learn more, I bought books to learn more, I got coaches, mentors. I continue to invest in myself, because the more I invest in myself, the more I know that my business is going to grow. And so for those of you that are really interested in taking it to the next level because you've already started, I'm going to put a link below this, and you guys can go ahead and look at the Facebook group that my mentor has. You know, no commitment. Go in there, check it out. If that's the right mentor for you, then you can go ahead and get to that next level.